So my husband and I love to go backpacking, and this weekend we headed down to Death Hollow. Death Hollow is part of the Colorado Plateau, down by Boulder and Escalante in southern Utah. We headed down with some friends, and I had a chance to learn a lot about the physical geography of the area. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about that. So we headed in on the Boulder Mail Trail, and as you can see, it's pretty sandy. Lots of sedimentary rock is broken down, so there's lots of sand, and you can see that valley has been carved by the river. We got to go through the river a bunch. There was a lot of poison ivy down there, so we tried to stay in the river, but it was super cool because we could see all of the walls of the canyon have been carved by the river over time and made for very nice views. It was a little tricky to get pictures of all of this because my phone was usually in a spot where it wouldn't fall into the river or get wet while I was crossing, but we got some cool pictures of all of the ways that the rock has been eroded, and you can see that right here too. All of these pictures, you can see how the water is wearing down the rock. It makes it look, it has lots of cool patterns in it. And here too, you can also see just like the overall canyon. You can see how the river has really just carved its way through. It's kind of like a snake-like shape. Okay, and this rock that you see is Navajo sandstone, and it's been carved out, and that's what creates the gorges. The river runs through, and it makes a narrow valley that just gets deeper and deeper as the river continues to carve it out. Okay, so this is one of the coolest things. This is the Escalante Natural Bridge, and it's been created over time with water erosion. It's just breathtaking. And that was basically our trip. We learned that nature is real neat. We enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new about Death Hollow and canyons and gorges.